Besides Temple Bar, which can be seen in my last video, another major tourist attraction in Dublin is the Guinness Storehouse, where you can learn about the Guinness famous brewing process, marketing, do some taste testing, and finish in the gravity bar. Guinness Storehouse is an affordable attraction and is a family-friendly experience. And an interesting fact, the Guinness Storehouse was once the central fermentation plant for Guinness in Dublin, and it was built in 1902. Guinness Brewery, let's go! Daniela! Let's go to Mommy. Mommy's up here. Guinness tasting room.
Hi guys, keep coming in there. Feel free to take drinks on the little stands to stay.
Guinness with a view. Hi girl. Visiting the Guinness Storehouse was totally worth it. It cost £22 per person, and that included the tasting experience and a pint of Guinness in the gravity bar at the end. The Guinness Storehouse had an audio guide, and it was an at your own pace, interactive and visually stimulating experience. It was good for both kids and adults. I learned a lot, had a good time, and finishing the tour with the Guinness and a view in the gravity bar topped the experience.